Hi everyone, Damien here from Vanport Mechanical and Fire Sprinkler. We're going to do another edition of Tips from Vanport. Today we are going to discuss maintenance. Now I get asked all the time, why do I need a maintenance done on my unit? So here's why. Maintenance is one of the most important fundamentals and one of the most important things you can do to your unit. With a professional doing maintenance on your unit, it allows the technician to get inside your unit, whether it's a furnace or an air handler, and inside your air conditioner and heat pumps to ensure that all your electrical connections, all your electrical components are good to go, so that way they're not burnt out or going out of tolerance. It also allows the technician to clean out your furnace so that way it runs healthy, and allows you to have a clean filter through your air. Because let's face it, you don't want to breathe in all that nasty air with that filter being dirty. So it will keep you from freezing in the wintertime or roasting in the summertime. So if you want to be a champion in your house, go ahead and get your maintenance done. And give us a call at Vanport Mechanical and Fire Sprinkler, and we'll be more than happy to come over and do it for you.